Hi, I'm Pranav, a developer advocate here at Thales. Today, I will show you how to deploy CipherTrust Manager on AWS using a Terraform configuration. CipherTrust Manager is a key management solution and a data encryption solution that will help you speed up application development times by lifting the burden of data security off your developers' shoulders. So let's dive right in. As you can see, we will need to do three to four steps. First being cloning the repository with the necessary Terraform files. Secondly, deploying it with AWS in this case. And finally, I'll show you how to set it up. So to deploy CipherTrust Manager, first scan this QR code and head over to the GitHub repository. As you can see, this is the GitHub repository that contains the necessary Terraform configuration required to deploy CipherTrust Manager Community Edition on AWS. So I'm going to jump into Orchestrators, Terraform, and then click on AWS. And now I'm going to basically just copy paste these commands into my terminal. Now note that for this installation, you're going to need Git, the Terraform CLI, as well as the AWS CLI. So first, I'm going to clone the repository. Once I do that, I'm going to head into CipherTrust Manager, Orchestrators, Terraform, and then in there, I'm going to head into the AWS directory, which contains the necessary files. And now, I'm going to run Terraform init. And if you have not yet configured your AWS CLI, you might want to run AWS configure, which will basically make you put in your access ID and access secret to be able to log into your AWS account. But since I've logged in, I'm just going to continue, and I'm just going to type Terraform apply. This will read the configuration files and tell you what is going to be deployed. As you can see, Terraform shows us all the necessary resources being deployed for the CipherTrust Manager instance. You can go through them, or you can just type in yes. But basically, it's just creating a virtual private cloud and a few subnets, as well as creating an EC2 instance, which CipherTrust Manager is being installed from. And this instance is being got directly from the marketplace. Once that's been deployed, it will print out a couple of important information. First is the public IP address where our CipherTrust Manager has been deployed. And second is the public SSH key of the admin user, which will be required during setup and other administrative operations. So I'm first going to just copy the public IP address, head over to my browser, and type in https:// then paste the IP address. And right now you're going to see a warning saying that your connection is not private, but you don't have to worry about this because you can generate SSL certificates for IP addresses, but we'll fix this later. And then over here it's going to ask for your SSH public key. So I'm going to head back to my terminal, copy my SSH public key, and then go and paste it in here. Once I do that, I'm going to click on Add. Now, CipherTrust Manager will show you a login page. Over here, we're going to enter the default admin password, which is admin for username and admin for password. And then we're going to click on Login. And now it will prompt us to change our password to something else. So I'm going to put in admin as our current password, and then going to put in a super secure password as the new password. Now it allows me to enter my username and my new password. Once I do that and click on Login, we have now successfully deployed CipherTrust Manager Community Edition. As we can see, it's version 2.9 up here on the right. To learn more about how to use CipherTrust Manager with your application, check out our other videos on this channel.